Oh, hey, welcome to my house.
Oh, I thought we were gonna do the big entrance thing.
I dropped that. They always do that on like MTV Cribs. Boys, welcome to my house. Oh, Bran, you've seen it before. Not like this, you haven't. And also, guys, close that door. Is the lighting okay? Guys,
yeah.
We got a full-on house tour today. Why does it say new house? Because before, I haven't actually told you this, bro. This is big news today. This is why I called you to come home from freaking, were you at work?
Well, school, but
I told him, come over ASAP. I've got a plan. Boys, today marks the day that Bran paid off his whole house in cash. Interact e-transfer, but I own the whole thing now.
Really? You paid it off? Mm-hmm. Wow, congratulations, man. That's big.
Boys. All do you boys. So anyway, with the house in mind, I was like, we filmed throughout the house, but I've never given you guys a tour, and I thought that would be kind of fun. So here's my house tour. You're gonna do it MTV style, and then last minute I was like, that's super lame. Shoot.
Yeah.
I tried to tidy for y'all. It took about 5 minutes, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I see you, you did a good job folding the blankets.
Yeah, my
nice orderly ball. Yeah.
Okay. Boys, welcome to my house. Thumbs up, comment down below if you're happy for me. And Ian's living here. He's my roommate, cameraman Ian, with my girlfriend. Boys, couch. I've never done a house tour before, but this is what we're working with. Over there is my favorite painting ever.
Oh, yeah.
That's a freaking alien thing.
Yeah, classic Barbalos. All right.
Ow!
Oh, what? Did you just punch a hole in the wall?
I own her now, baby! Woo! We got the STRI PP pole in here. PP, I don't know how to spell stripper, but we got that. We got a nice piece of art. Boys, where did I put my coffee? We're just getting started. This might be a long video. I've had about 5 coffees today.
Yeah, I can tell you're pumped.
Really? Well, I'm pumped because I just paid off my house. How old am I? 16? Or something?
Yeah, give or take 10 years.
couple weeks ago, a couple years ago, a year ago, we got this kitchen redone. We gotta show the house, bro. They don't want to look at me this whole time. Great alien artwork right there. That hurt, bro.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Like, you really...
Oh, yeah. I cut my hand like a boss, too. That's pretty sick, boys. Anyway, kitchen. We'll get into there in a sec. This is stuff you haven't seen, you know? Nobody's seen my fish yet. Actually, his name is French Fry, in fact. That's that guy.
Oh, Sarah finally won the naming thing?
Yeah,
okay.
No, well, she calls it French Fry. I call him Zontar X II. Zontar X the first died. I don't know what else you want to see. I got a freaking fridge here.
Yeah, how many beers do you have in there right now?
No problem.
Is that a hat? Why do you have a hat?
Oh, no kidding. Dude, I actually lost that last time. I did not put that in there as a gift, boys.
Yeah, that's
so funny. I was looking everywhere for that, bro.
Is that the same? Is that the same one you're wearing now? Okay, no, it's just really similar.
I get a little STOMD at night, boys, and
I have found all kinds of things in the fridge and not in the fridge, and why do you do that?
I don't know. I'm trying to prove that I own this house now, and I don't care.
Wait.
Yeah! Woo! Let's go. Watch your step, Ian. So we got the washroom over
Okay,
there.
that's nice. That's nice. I got to walk through that.
I was never renting to begin with, but now that I own it, I can do whatever I want. We have Jaws right here, boys. This is
Claws, actually.
Claws. Oh yeah, Claws the cat. That looks like my cat. What people are gonna ask, like, how much is your house? Like, I'm thinking like 4.2 million.
No, pesos maybe.
Agree to disagree. We got a closet here. This is where I keep my flammable things, a bunch of men things that I do. You know, I fix nothing.
That blowtorch has gotten a scary amount of use.
Yeah, man, this thing's freaking sick. I even got a lighter right by it. Woohoo!
And this is what. Okay, please don't make just a video where you burn down your new house, or well.
Yeah,
newly owned house.
Here's a spare room, you know, this is where my boys and my girls sleep when they're little DRUNK. Got a puke bucket for them just in case. If you're using this room, I'm like, try not to use this, but if you need to use it, it's there. We clean it once a month.
The vacuum is also right there. And
a bunch of secret merch under there that you guys can't see. Here's my room. I did not clean it. You know, at least you can see we make our beds every day. We got our dog right here.
Okay, that bed is not made.
Yeah.
Although Panda doesn't seem to mind.
Look over here, we do our laundry though, so that means something.
Yeah, no, that's good actually, yeah.
Not often. Boys, thumbs up, comment down below.
Hey, wait, what about your filming room?
Yeah, I'd rather not go there.
No, come on, this is where the magic happens.
Don't do it, bro.
Come on,
no,
come on.
Another time, I'm just gonna do a room tour. Oh God.
Okay, it's actually cleaner than I've seen it most of the time.
At least I got the hookers out, you know? Yo, listen. I'm filming right here. I'm talking to you guys. You know, doing this, and this at the same time. I'm fidgeting with everything that's on the desk. So anyway, that's that.
Yeah, got your nice row.
Yeah, absolute beauties. You know.
Yeah, got the random display case.
Yeah.
You know. Gotta have your Supreme.
This is the best thing ever. Right here.
Oh
It's the
yeah,
only thing
prized
that actually-
possession. Prized possession.
Yeah, honestly, the only thing right now, except for my NFTs, which I've been spending way too much money on without knowing any knowledge, I'm pretty sure I've lost all my money due to that, but prized possession right there, besides Ian, my girlfriend, and that puppy right over there. I don't know what she's doing. Bunch of stuff.
How would you rank those three?
What three? Oh, dog, NFTs, girl, you.
I can't argue with that.
We're showing the outside? Boys,
Yeah, why not?
On tour. Maybe
Yeah,
we'll do it.
the deck is sick, man.
So,
The deck's my favorite. Honestly, the deck might be my favorite part.
yeah, this deck is here. My girlfriend was eating chili out here today. We don't put away bowls in
Hey, you gotta leave something to trap the wasps.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Buddy Ball, what's up, girl? She's just always chilling out in the sun.
Or the shade.
I dropped her and it seemed kind of aggressive, but you can drop cats. It's all good.
You got the most artistic shed in the neighborhood.
Yeah. I got the most artistic, autistic friends actually. So they come over, they spray paint the thing, we have a good time, you know?
Yeah.
We already did the upstairs. You already
Yeah.
found my hat, that's good. Cupboards, you know, what do we have in here?
Yeah, it's
Uh,
looks like assorted food stuff.
Oh,
That's good. You do own food.
I eat eggs. Speaking of
Yeah, you know what? Sarah owns food. You have eggs.
Yeah, I don't eat any, like literally ask Ian, this whole video isn't a goof, boys. All I eat all day long, eggs. All day long.
Yeah, no, literally. Like usually he at least Oh,
that every morning. I
that's
don't know about-
splattered onto my leg, man.
We need Panic outside. Panic, come here. Some crap on the ground here.
Yeah.
My bad, dog. I'm usually a lot better. I get a little camera shot when you eat my eggs like that. I was trying to be cool, I think, about it, but anyway.
Usually he does cook them in some way.
See this kid, how long you lived with me for? A year and a half now?
Just about, yeah.
Now that I bought off this house, what do you think, boys? Do we kick him out? We can afford to, or do we keep him here?
Please don't tell him to do that.
Oh, we're going down to your basement. I didn't even ask you. Is that cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
So downstairs here, boys, is what Ian rents out. The whole basement. You guys have seen a little bit of it through videos of us starting to film down here or whatever. But this is it entirely, and this right here is a new adjustment. First off, I'm not a hunter, boys. I got nothing against hunting. I can't. An animal, you know what I mean? I cry. Ian's a hunter.
That's true. Every time Panda catches a rabbit, you are fucked.
I think I just told them a story about that like a couple videos ago where I couldn't film because there was a rabbit that was EAD in the backyard. I couldn't handle it.
I had to get the neighbor to come and help.
What I'm trying to get at is, sorry if this is hard to look at, but I mean, this is life, boys. Circle life. Things still got a butt on it, you know?
Yeah, it's a bear skin, by the way.
What do you want to show us down here, bro? I mean, this is your freaking living space. I can give them the tour,
Yeah.
but I think the owner gives the tour better.
Well, I mean, I guess the first thing we have to look at is the bar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, got a nice
Where's your
big old freezer full of meat.
Where's your dildo drawer located again?
I just borrow yours. Anyway, yeah, so here's the bar. Got way too much glassware. Way too much.
But we own the house now, so
Yep.
who cares? Woo!
Wait.
You get to be an adult, right? You pay a lot of money to upkeep a house, and you keep paying and trying to pay it off your whole life, boys. We're good. Because of you,
Yeah.
bar, that's sick. We made those stools when we were in high school, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah, no, that's grade 10 right there.
Yeah, grade 10.
Or 11. I don't
Nice
know.
little collection right here. A couple empties.
Oh yeah, you know, just the top shelf bottles.
A back seat of something. That's
That's
really weird.
that's for my truck. I just took the back seat out.
All right, fireplace, pretty cool, pretty cool.
Fireplace does not work.
All right, I'm gonna
but-
run in real quick, show them the freaking fish tank.
Oh yeah, no, the fish tank is sweet.
Wow. She slaps, boys. We got the fish tank. What would we put this at? $392, 1,000 at least. I'm trying to give a price point of how much this is worth.
You know what? Aquariums are expensive, man.
Yeah, man. Anyway, Ian's a geologist, as you guys know, so he's a big rock guy. Super
So
cool
yeah,
rocks in there.
there's a lot of rocks in there.
Check this out. Check this out. Screw the fish. Megalodon tooth.
Yeah.
How old is that? 2 million years old?
Probably more like 50.
50 million years old right there. Bought it from the Pawn Star shop when we went to Vegas. That was super sick. More rocks. I mean, you can tell them about your rocks, but I don't know if they'll know.
I love telling people about rocks, but I've found their eyes glaze over.
Swearian lifts weights, got super freaking jacked. Show your face, by the way. Maybe people are stumbling across the video for the first time. This is cameraman Ian.
Yeah,
Ian,
sure.
Ian behind the camera. And enough.
boys.
Back to me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah, we got the washer dryer down here. It's pretty good because it's not upstairs, so it doesn't annoy me when I'm trying to sleep. But you know,
Yeah.
just kidding. I'm actually sorry that that's there.
Yeah. What you gonna do?
We go in your room?
No, I don't think you want to go in there. You're...
No, I'm just kidding. All right, we won't go in there.
Well, it's the funny thing about that, but
Washroom, you know, is
yeah, it's, you know, it's a bit of an unfinished bathroom. You know, got the easy access to the water heater and the furnace though.
Still a $23 million house.
By the way, your water heater is enormous.
That's pretty big.
Like that's the kind of water heater they put in an apartment building. I swear to
You know
God.
what they say, big water heater. Small man.
He-
This is the storage room. It's storage.
Yeah,
Here's, we're gonna get really sad right. This is all storage of my dad. Actually, just all my dad's before he passed, and like I threw away everything in his house. That's everything I have left because I don't like to keep things. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. So can't be swearing, but figure skates.
some old skates.
Don't know what you've been doing, Ian. That's kind of. I mean, it's not sus. Whatever you want to do. That's cool, bro. That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, I don't wear them on my feet, but.
Where do you wear them?
Well, you might want to ask your mom about that.
Okay, jeez.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much.
I'm like, I always see these videos, right, of people making these things, and it takes like 45 minutes because they've got 45 stories on their house. I didn't think this would take as little time as it has, but boys, there's a house that you guys helped me just pay off with my girl, and look at us go, man.
There's the mess you're gonna have to clean up.
Yeah.
Before your girl gets back.
Absolutely. Yeah, I just wanted to assert my dominance while she was gone. You know, if she was here.
Yeah,
I wouldn't get away
yeah,
with
because
that.
you can't assert dominance when she is here.
Well, I could, you know. I'm just a man.
Yes.
Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. There's a quick update on life. Thought I'd give a house to her, get it out of that. I'm gonna have to look at this back. We haven't stopped this camera once. Maybe we'll just do like full take all the way through. I don't know. What do you want to say?
Man, I don't know. I think we've about covered it. Just,
Yeah.
I guess, just congratulations on having the place paid off.
Thank you, bro.
I mean, the value is already dropping, but.
I mean, that was bound to happen anyway. Appreciate y'all for watching, Merkin the Game. Ian, sign out. Tell them to thumbs up and comment. They listen to you, not me.
All right. Okay, boys. You heard the man. Thumbs up and comment. That's in order.
Yeah!